Here are 4 tips guaranteed to speed up your website. And if you stick around till the end, I will share a bonus 5th tip with you as well. Let's face it, nobody likes a slow loading website. Humans don't like it, and Google definitely doesn't like it. So, tip number 1 is choose a proper web host. Do not go for the cheap option. Choose a host that has fast servers and that offers proper backup and support. Tip number 2, optimize your images. I see too many websites with large unoptimized images. There are so many free tools out there that you can use to optimize your images. Tip number 3, add a caching plugin. This will allow users to view a cached version of your website. This is going to speed up the whole process. Tip number 4, reduce JavaScript and CSS. This is critical as these files slow down your website. Now for the bonus tip, use Google Page Speed Insights to monitor and track the speed of your website. Not only is this service free, but it will also give you valuable insight into how you can actually optimize your website for better speed. Be sure to like this video if you found value in it. Also, don't forget to subscribe or follow depending on which platform you are watching this video. If you would like my agency Design It to help you with this, or if you would like us to help you to grow your business online, my website link will be in the description below. There are multiple ways of getting in contact with us. So let's set up a time to chat. Until the next video, keep on untangling the web.